First, breaking news surrounding the Hacienda Healthcare horror. That's the facility where an incapacitated woman gave birth after being raped. Tonight, the longest-serving member of Hacienda's board of directors announcing that he's resigning. Good evening, everyone. I'm Karima Devine.
I'm Mike Gonzalez in for Mark Curtis. Tonight, the 12 News I-Team has been tracking the latest developments from the very beginning. Team 12's Bram Resnick joins us live from the Alert Center with the very latest breaking details. Bram?
Yeah, Caribe, Mike. Tom Pomeroy has been a member of the board for nearly 40 years, but he's now stepping down effective tomorrow, saying Hacienda needs to get better because what it does is too important to accept, quote, such a failure. This move coming a few weeks after Governor Doug Ducey blasted Hacienda and called on its leadership to step down. Now, the governor.
The message for Hacienda is that we need to care for these patients.
Earlier this month, urged the state attorney general to prosecute Hacienda leaders. Pomeroy's departure also comes a week after an Arizona Republic report raised questions about insider deals at Hacienda that benefited Pomeroy. In a statement about his resignation, Pomeroy says, if Hacienda is to move forward after the deeply disturbing events of the past few months, it's clear that the organization needs new leadership. Governor Ducey, for whom I have great respect, has said as much. Pomeroy going on to say, if my resignation contributes in some way to Hacienda moving forward, then I do so sadly, but without an iota of doubt. At one point, Hacienda said it would shut down the intermediate care facility, putting families of 36 vulnerable patients in limbo. However, the state fought back and Hacienda agreed to keep it open with tougher state regulation. But 3 weeks later, the state and Hacienda still haven't reached a formal agreement on that regulation. Hacienda now says its board is in the process of establishing new governance procedures, including how board members are appointed and how long members may serve. The nurse accused of raping the woman is pleading not guilty, despite being a DNA match to the child. He's due back in court in mid-March. We're live in the Alert Center. Bram Resnick, 12 News.